Question 12. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Answer. When a milkman adds a small amount of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, to fresh milk, it increases the pH of the milk, making it slightly alkaline. Reason for pH shift. 1. Baking soda is a base. Baking soda is a basic compound. When it dissolves in water or milk, it dissociates to release hydroxide ions, O, which increases the pH of the solution. 2. Neutralization of acidity. The alkaline nature of baking soda counteracts the natural acidity of the milk, which has a pH of about 6. This results in a shift towards a more neutral or slightly alkaline pH. B. Why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Answer. When the pH of the milk is shifted to slightly alkaline, it affects the process of curd formation. Impact on curd formation. 1. Lactic acid bacteria activity. Curd formation relies on the activity of lactic acid bacteria, which ferment lactose to produce lactic acid. This acidification is crucial for coagulating the proteins in milk. 2. Reduced acidity. By increasing the pH and making the milk slightly alkaline, the environment becomes less conducive for lactic acid bacteria to thrive and produce enough lactic acid. As a result, the milk does not coagulate as quickly. 3. Longer setting time. The milk takes a longer time to set into curd because the necessary acidic conditions for coagulation of proteins are not achieved promptly. Summary. A. The addition of baking soda raises the pH of fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline due to its basic nature. B. This alkaline environment slows down the activity of lactic acid bacteria, leading to a longer time for the milk to set as curd.